This is the story of Biocycle Solutions. It's the story of how we take waste like this and this that was collected from stores like this because it never made it to the kitchen table. And we blend it with elemental sulfur, which is a byproduct of the oil and gas industry, so that none of it goes to landfill to contribute to greenhouse gases. And we turn it into macronutrient fertilizer to spread on the soil, to grow more crops, which ultimately provides more food for the growing world demand. Biocycle Solutions is an Alberta-based company. We pride ourselves on solving the challenges of converting food waste into a nutrient-rich product, which can then be utilized by the agricultural community. In conjunction with our partner companies, Biocycle offers our customers a one-stop solution. Our services include pickup and delivery of nutrient-rich organics that are later composted and converted to nutrient-rich fertilizer. Here is an inside look at how we are closing the sustainability loop. Producing food is a resource-intensive operation. Unfortunately, not all of those efforts and inputs make it to the kitchen table. Massive amounts of food produced will never get consumed. Worldwide, 1/3 of the food produced for human consumption is lost or wasted, most of it before it ever reaches consumers. That's about 1.3 billion tons per year. In North America, over 30% of the fruits and vegetables are rejected by supermarkets because they aren't attractive enough for consumers. In developed countries like Canada, more than 40% of food losses occur at retail and consumer levels. If food waste was a country, it would be the third top contributor to global greenhouse gases. Biocycle Solutions steps in when the food won't make it to the end user for its intended purpose. We collect organic materials in bins sized to our customers' needs via our in-house trucking units. Our customers include malls, grocers, food and retail, restaurants, as well as light and heavy industrial clients. This material then goes to our depackaging facility to be processed. Our automated depackaging system saves time and money for our clients. Recovered nutrients are sent to compost or biogas facilities, and packaging is sent to local recycling centers. Collection containers are then cleaned, sanitized, and sent back for collection. Traditionally, this organic material collected would be sent to landfill, where it creates methane gas as it biodegrades. In Biocycle's process, organic material is composted at a Class 1 composting facility. Compost is tested to ensure it meets all the acceptance criteria required for Category A compost. The finished compost is then blended with elemental sulfur, a byproduct of the oil and gas industry, to create a composted fertilizer product that contains a high percentage of actual sulfur. The addition of the compost as a carrier to the sulfur is key, as it ensures that the product is much safer to handle than other comparable products currently in the marketplace. Compost reduces the dusting and risk of fire typically associated with elemental sulfur and kickstarts the microbial process in the soil. Our elemental sulfur product, Biosol Premium Plus, is a cost-efficient, long-lasting, and sustainable method of supplying sulfur nutrition to all crops throughout a farming rotation. High application rates ensure sustainable soil sulfur levels for multiple years. Due to its variable particle sizes and the natural processes in the soil, Biosol slowly and gently becomes available to crops over time with temperature, moisture, oxygen, and biological activity, the same conditions that produce a large harvest. As the most cost-efficient source of sulfur by the pound on the market, Biosol Premium Plus greatly improves logistics, by removing bulky, low-analysis fertilizers from seeding operations, and in turn becomes part of a producer's sustainability story in their own operation. Imagine a cob of corn, once destined for landfill, now co-composted into a macronutrient to help farmers achieve yields across North America to feed the world, and recycled back into the food chain. Now that's sustainability. Whether you are a food retailer, a farmer endeavoring to feed the world, or simply a consumer concerned about food waste, the Biocycle sustainability story is a great model to be a part of.